Hi, I'm Samuel Jackson from Metal Roofing Online. In today's special Christmas episode, I'm going to be showing you how to join the quad gutter. Now obviously I've got just a couple of short bits here. The longest we do the quad gutter in is an 8 metre length. So if you've got, let's say, a 10 metre run that you need to put the gutter on, you'll need to order 2 at 5.1 to give yourself enough for your join, because usually we make our join about 100 mil. Obviously with the lengths that you're ordering when you join them, it's best to over allow by quite a bit because you can always trim it back on site. Okay, so with the 100 mil join, you just want to make sure you know which way the direction of the water flow is going. So if there's a down plot close to this side, you want to be overlapping it that way so all the water's running towards the outlet. Okay, so just remember that. All right, so I'm going to lap them that way that I just showed you. So this one here, I will just mark my 100 mil on. I'll just square a line all the way around the gutter. Okay, just to make it a little bit easier, I'll cut a little bit of this bead of the quad gutter out. Okay, so that's basically 100 mil there. Once you've got those in position, obviously you're going to be joining them when you've got it up in the on the fascia with all the clips on and stuff, but it's a little bit more difficult here on the table. But when you're joining them, you want to grab the one that's on the underside with the hammer and just lift it up. Hopefully that should go into there. There we go. Perfect. Just like that. And then we're going to drill all our holes, and then we're just going to take them apart and clean all the swarf out and put some silicone in there and then put them back together again. Okay, now that I've got a rivet in both sides, I can flip it over and drill all my other holes out. And then I'll just take those first two back out again. Okay, the purpose of that is so that we can take the gutter apart again and we can clean out any of this swarf that's in there, which is going to rust the gutter out really quickly. So we want to get rid of all that. Okay. Now with the one that's the underlap, we want to put all our silicone in there. Don't be shy with the silicone. You want to make sure you've got plenty in the join there. Okay, and I'll just pop these back together again. Go. Now I just need to clean off any of this excess silicone. And we'll put a bit more silicone at the edge of the join here in the gutter as well. And a bit more silicone over those rivets. And across to you there. Make sure that's all rubbed in properly. Okay, now that should be perfect. Nice and watertight. So as I say, the points that you want to remember is that you overlap them 100 mil. You got plenty of rivets in there, plenty of silicone between the join. The front of this can look a bit bulgy once you've overlapped the two. So I might grab my pliers and just try and fix that up. But apart from that, it's good. So I'll grab my pliers now. And I'll just squeeze those together a bit more so it doesn't look so bulky where they join. There we go. That's basically it. How do you join the quad gutter? Thanks for watching. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of our YouTube instructional videos. I'm Darren.
And I'm Lily. We are part of the customer service team here at Metal Roofing Online. If we've been able to bring you any value here today, the greatest compliment you could give us is liking, loving and sharing this video online with everyone you know. Make sure to tag us as we love hearing from our followers.
If you need any roofing materials, please head across to our website and take a look at the fantastic prices we offer and our huge delivery coverage across Australia. If you have any questions at all, please email or call us as we would be happy to help you.